Hi, I'm Yuwei Wang. I'm MA photography student in University of Hertfordshire. This video essay will focus on the theme, the techniques and application of 3D modeling in the field of virtual photography. 3D modeling is to build a model with 3D data through 3D production software and virtual 3D space. 3D modeling can be roughly divided into NURBS and polygonal grids. NURBS has good application for objects and scenes that require precision, flexibility, and complexity. It can be used to display products, simulate scenes, and create photographic art. 3D modeling technology can simulate reality by displaying 3D graphics in computers. It is not like 3D space in the real world, which has real distance space. The computer just looks like the real world, so the 3D graphics that are displayed in the computer only play a role in virtual communication. In the field of photography, 3D modeling is based on technological manufacturing scene, simulation scene, or virtual environment for economic and time-saving shooting. Photography has undergone many developments and changes since its birth, but its basic concepts remain the same. Until now, the photos we see are still two-dimensional, and elements like lighting and focus are still key to the quality of the photos. However, cameras in the future may allow people to interact with photos and adjust those elements after taking pictures. For example, the light-field camera produced by Latro, a Silicon Valley startup, and the updated high-end camera allow people to refocus after taking pictures. It can also take 3D photos and edit and adjust the photos after shooting. So, how can 3D modeling be combined with photography? Nowadays, the craze of virtual reality has become a new form of virtual expression of great concern. In terms of technology, besides shooting through the panoramic camera system, it can also be synthesized by computer, which is called 3D modeling scene production. For the research development, I interviewed Wanqing Jiang, who is working at Shanghai Institute of Virtual Art.
Hi, I am Wanqing Jiang. I'm a lecturer working at Shanghai Institute of Visual Arts. I will answer and explain some questions about the application of 3D modeling in photography. Start with the first question. When 3D modeling technology enters the photography market, what should we think about the change and influence of this new technology on traditional photography? The appearance of 3D modeling has had a profound impact on the entire photographic field, such as the advertising photography scenes of 3D modeling and surrealist artistic photography works. With the development of 3D modeling technology, new visual communication methods have become the focus of attention in the field of photography. This changed traditional photography and created a quick, economical way to reproduce photographs. This technology has wide application prospects. Some enterprises have applied it to the product display field. In traditional photography, photographs are made up of two parts, the photographer and the camera. When technology came along, photography was one of the few ways to record things. Photographs are highly functional, pure reproduction of reality and recording of real existence. The subjects recorded in the photo are very intuitive and accurate. In the past, photography was a way of recording. With the advent of 3D modeling technology, photography has become a revealing new media world. Since the invention of photography, images have become a tool for people to understand the world. It was because of its special power that it affected social events that people began to explore photography and never stopped. 3D modeling technology enables people to not only explore the relationship between photography and the real world, but also explore and create more hyper-real world. Surrealist photography, for example. 3D modeling technology has promoted the development of surrealist photography. Move on to the second question. What is the necessity of taking photo by using 3D modeling technology? Speak of the necessity of 3D modeling techniques used in the field of photography and photography market. Traditional way of photography in the life cycle of work, from concept to design, to create and update production consumes a lot of time. There are also limitations in the selection and setting of scenes, such as filming commercials. Need to choose according to the product is suitable for the environmental performance products if use 3D modeling. Simulations, environments, and scenes for products could greatly save time and money. In commercial photography, on the basis of 3D modeling used in photography market can also express beyond the visual effect of the real world, such as surrealism photography, can use the 3D modeling manufacturing future science fiction scenarios. New way of visual communication in photography was achieved by 3D modeling technology. Next question. Will there be a future in photography with 3D modeling? From the commercial photography domain analysis, in the photography market, with the continuous progress of 3D technologies, more and more commercial markets will need the support of 3D modeling technology in the future. In the field of photography, the application of 3D modeling, the simulation of shooting scenes, the shooting of commercial advertisements, virtual communities, and even the development of tourism have a significant impact. For example, some world attractions, sculptures, and so on, all require the combination of 3D modeling technology and photography technology. Therefore, 3D modeling technology has a great potential in photography. Further analysis shows that in art photography, 3D modeling technology also promotes the development of photography. Traditional photography technology to keep a record of just the reality of the real world with 3D modeling technology. Photographers can, through the simulation of virtual scenes, characters, or subject dealing with complex concepts. It has a great influence on the art of photography.
The preview is now available in 3D computer modeling and VR tools to speed up the production process in the photography market. The main applications are product display and commercial advertising. Photographers use 3D modeling to capture the preview of the virtual scene. It's a revolutionary scheme of virtual shooting preview. Through a partnership with a variety of mainstream optical capture systems bring unprecedented virtual scene to the user experience, will be the last virtual reconstruction of photography and set an unprecedented to simplify the complicated three-dimensional software adjustment before, with intuitive operation to create a virtual scene, easy manipulation of the virtual camera to complete tasks of lens, brings endless possibilities for artistic creation. It saves cost and time. Sphericam is a spherical video capture device that was developed in 2012 and can be used for 360-degree video shooting. Sphericam 2 is an upgraded version of Sphericam, with up to 6 lenses and image sensors built in. Everything around the photographer can be photographed. Each camera can also be automatically sticked together so that it can be viewed using either a virtual reality device or an ordinary mobile phone. The advertising, as you can see in video below, the team uses the latest VR tools and 3D modeling for virtual photography. Virtual manufacture for artists is a more intuitive way to operate the camera. You can also throw the camera into the virtual scene, rather than just sitting in front of a computer through the network to interact with audience. Make them get good cooperation experience. This is a great help to the development of photography market. Virtual reality technology is a kind of can create and experience the virtual world of the computer simulation system, which uses computer 3D modeling and simulation environment. Is a kind of multiple information fusion, interactive 3D dynamic visual and physical behavior of the system simulation users immersed into the environment. 3D modeling techniques while making up images actually describe the photographer's thoughts in the photos. Photography is no longer limited to record. People can use eyes to see the real world. 3D modeling to simulate the surreal world. This led the photographer to emerge in technology processing and convey the idea and the complex concept in the photo. This will have a profound impact on the field of photography. Thanks for watching this video.